sorry, Ed, but it's over.
My life is perfect. Do you really think that?
I didn't recognize you. We used to be so unmissable. Why can't I make videos like Aki? I'm trying so hard.